First, let's open our Google Docs document. On the upper right corner, select Share. Under General Access, select anyone with a link, then copy link. To send it to WhatsApp, open a new tab, and go to web.whatsapp.com. On WhatsApp, click the menu on the upper right corner, then select Link Devices. Tap on Link a device, then scan the barcode on your screen to connect your device. Select your WhatsApp contact or group, then right-click and paste your Google Docs link. All done. Please subscribe.